Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Exploring Python Module Suggestions with OmniComplete Plugin. Introduction. In Python development, managing and importing the right modules is crucial for writing efficient and maintainable code. To make this process more seamless, you can use an OmniComplete plugin that suggests Python modules to import based on your code context. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to set up and use such a plugin, focusing on the popular OmniComplete plugin for Vim as an example. Requirements. We'll use the youcompleteme (YCM) plugin for Vim, which offers advanced code completion and suggestions for Python modules. Follow these steps to install it. Install a plugin manager if you haven't already. We'll use vim-plug in this tutorial. To install vim-plug, follow the instructions on its GitHub page. Add the following lines to your Vim configuration file, usually /.vimrc, to set up vim-plug. Save your /.vimrc file and open Vim. Run the following command to install the plugins. This script will build and install youcompleteme with Python support. Now that youcompleteme is installed, we need to configure it to work with Python. Open your /.vimrc again and add the following lines. Save and exit your /.vimrc file. Youcompleteme is now ready to suggest Python modules for you to import. Follow these steps to use it effectively. Open a Python source code file in Vim. As you start typing a module or function name, youcompleteme will automatically suggest completions. Press Tab to accept the suggestion. To trigger manual completion suggestions, use Ctrl+space. If youcompleteme suggests a module to import, press Enter to accept the suggestion, and it will be added to your code. Example: youcompleteme will suggest relevant modules for you to import, such as os.path, os.sys, and others. Conclusion. Using an OmniComplete plugin like youcompleteme in Vim can significantly improve your Python development workflow by providing suggestions for Python modules to import based on your code context. By following the installation and configuration steps outlined in this tutorial, you can enhance your productivity and write cleaner, more organized Python code. ChatGPT.